Hi, 10. In this lesson, we will be revising simultaneous equations and solving simultaneous equation using substitution method. So our success criteria is to determine the simultaneous equation solution using substitution method. So I will give you the first example. So this example has two equations. So simultaneous equation means two equations in two variables. So the variables here are x and y. So we need to find the solution or the value of x and y. So this example said solve the following set of simultaneous equations: 3x plus y equals 11. And the second equation is y equals 5x minus 5. So we're going to solve this using substitution method. So to solve this equation, it means that we need to find the value of x and the value of y. So what x equal and what y equals. So if you notice that I'm gonna rewrite those equations, and I'm gonna call them equation 1 and equation 2. So this is what you do: 3x plus y equals 11, and I'm gonna call this one equation 1, and then the other one is y equals 5x minus 5. I'm gonna call it equation 2. And then what we do, we need to substitute. So we need to make substitute one equation in another. So if you notice here, you've got y equal 5x minus 5. So I'm gonna substitute y in from equation 2 and y in equation 1. So I'm gonna write equation 1 again. So 3x. Now instead of y, so 3x plus y. So instead of y, I'm gonna write the value of y, which is 5x minus 5. So instead of y in here, I will write instead this value, because this value is y. 5x minus 5 is y. So instead of y, I'm going to write plus 5x minus 5. And remember, this is value here is y. Okay, so I just substitute y with 5x minus 5, and then I'm going to complete the equation. So this will be equals 11. Okay, so we have one variable. So in this equation we have just x, while in the first two equations we have x and y. So now we can solve this equation easy. So all you have to do first, you have to collect the like terms. So you've got like terms is 3x and 5x. So 3x's plus 5x's, how many x's? This will give us 8x's. And then you've got the negative 5, so I put down the negative 5 equals 11. Now we need to find the value of x. So you have to put x on one side and the numbers on the other side. So how I do this, I need to move this to the other side. When you move it, you need to change the sign. So this will be 8x 11. When you move it, you have to change the sign. So this negative becomes plus 5. So 8x equals 16. Now I don't need 8x, I need just x. So I need to get rid of the 8. 8x means 8 times x, so opposite of times is divide, so you divide this by 8. You divide this by 8 to get rid of the 8. So 8 and 8 cancelled. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So x equals 2. Now I got x, so I'm going to call this 3. Now I need to get y, so I need to substitute again to get y. So I will write it here, so it will be from equation. So if you look at equation 2, it gives you y equal 5x's plus or minus 5. So from equation 2, I'm going to write the equation y equals 5x minus 5. Now I've got x equals 2 from here. So I'm going to substitute this in equation 2. So I'm going to put this one in here. Substitute. 5x means 5 times x. So y equals 5 instead of x times 2 minus 5. So y equals 5 times 2, you do the multiplication first because the order of operation. So 5 times 2 is 10 minus 5. So y equals 5. So the answer of this, or the solution of this simultaneous equation, is x equals 2 and y equals 5. That means the two lines of those two equations, they intercept in a point, they intercept of point 2 and 5. And this is a solution of the simultaneous equation. Alright, and if you want to verify your answers, you can pick any equation to verify your answer. For example, I can pick equation 1 or equation 2, it doesn't matter. So all I have to do, I just substitute x and y, the values of x and y in equation, and see if the left side equal the right side. So I'm going to say, I'm going to write the equation first. So 3x plus y equals 11. So I've got x equals 2, so I'm going to replace x with 2, so 3 instead of x, substitute with 2, so it'll be times 2, because 3x means 3 times 2, 3x means 3 times x, plus y equals 5, so instead of y, substitute with 5, so if this equals 11, let's see, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 5 equals 11. So my answer is correct because the left hand side equal the right hand side, which equals 11. So this is I did verify my solution, which is this one here. Alright, so that's all for substitution, solving simultaneous equation using substitution. Thank you.